Hi everyone. So here are a few things that I've been doing last few weeks that have really helped my tinnitus, the volume come down in my ears. I'm going to share my tips and experiences with you, and I hope that these will help you too. So the first thing that I realized that I had to do was that I had to relax and I had to stay calm. I had to accept firstly what has happened to me, and I had to figure out how I'm going to cure myself with my own mental strength. And ever since I made up my mind that I'm going to be strong and I'm going to cure myself, the volume has automatically reduced. So I realized keeping a positive mindset and being very strong and telling yourself that this is going to go, this is temporary, and that you can cure yourself in good time, it really, really helps to bring the volume down. I realize that I have to be patient. This may take weeks, this may take months, but I'm going to stay positive, I'm going to stay strong, and I am going to mentally cure myself. So I relaxed, I calmed down, I made up my mind that this is temporary and I'm not going to allow it to bother me. The minute I did that, the volume in my ears did come down. Sometimes when I have a tinnitus spike, I leave the room or I leave wherever I am, especially if I'm indoors and I go outdoors, go for a long walk either on the beach or in the park. It really helps to be around natural sounds of nature, birds chirping, crickets, the sound of the water while you're on the beach. That really helps to bring the volume in your ears down as you are surrounded by nature and listening to sounds that mask your tinnitus. So go for a nice long walk and think about things that make you happy. Be around people that make you happy. Be around friends and family that make you laugh. Watch things on TV or a movie that makes you laugh, and try and distract your mind from your ears to other things that keep you happy. If the tinnitus spike has really gone out of control, another thing that I realized that does help me is I close my eyes and I deep breathe. So breathing in and out, exhaling and inhaling heavily, like fill up your lungs and completely empty them out. Deep breathe really, really helps. So you can do it from anything from 5 to up to 15 minutes till the sound or the volume in your ears does lower with your breathing. And it has helped me a lot. So staying out of stressful situations, staying positive, telling yourself that this is going to go, it's temporary. Deep breathing every single day. I breathe up to 30 minutes, 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes evening. Close your eyes and deep breathe. That has helped me. Going out and staying outdoors and going for long walks in nature has helped me a lot. So stay positive. This is going to get better. And in my next few videos, I have a few more tips coming up.